We are on a beautiful Sunday showing this amazing property. Contact us. It has ocean view. It's 12 acres. And look, we have access all to this. I'm so excited because we create unique opportunities for bringing the right people into this magical land. Contact us, Purpose Community. This is an opportunity. Right now we're gonna go to the upper side of the property, full ocean views. It's like a little small kingdom. It's beautiful. It's amazing opportunity. Contact us, Purpose Community, to get magical pieces of paradise for magical people like us. Remember, with the sun and the love and the positivity are contagious. We keep it flowing. Woo! Right now we're on the third natural building site. It's full of breweries, full of nature, full of happiness. And why working with us? Because we have premium properties. We conserve the land and we do responsible development. This amazing opportunity, 12 acres in Portalon, 5 minutes to the main road, super safe, super tranquil, super quiet, and 10 minutes to the beach. Contact us to buy this mini super sanctuary of 12 acres with spicy life, because love and positivity are contagious. We, me, you, and the universe keep it flowing. And we are on the top of the beautiful property. It has 4 natural building sites, conservative, nice, killer ocean view to Manuel Antonio, Tepos Rock, and it's a beautiful day for beautiful property. Contact us to buy now, Purpose Community. And my beautiful, amazing, spicy life Global Family TV. Something really cool about this property is that all the places and building sites have river access, like nice little pools. It's 12 acres, 10 minutes to the beach. It's in Portalon. I mean, it's amazing location. 30 minutes to the airport. It's perfect. Contact us to buy this little beautiful super sanctuary. 12 acres on $350,000 with legal water, electricity on a private gated community. This is what we love, bringing you opportunities. We connect the land with the energy of the people, and then everything becomes spicy life. Purpose Community. Contact us to come and see this land. Just walking it, it's magical, it's healing. Spicy life, Purpose Community.